A GPT wrapper is basically an easy-to-use app or interface built on top of powerful AI models like ChatGPT. It wraps the AI's core capabilities into a simple tool that you or your customers can interact with without needing to know how to code or build AI from scratch. Think of it like a friendly app that uses ChatGPT behind the scenes to solve problems, generate content, or automate tasks. Why 2025 is the perfect time to start. AI is booming like never before. With rapid advances in GPT models and a huge rise in demand for AI-powered solutions, now is the time to jump in. Plus, no-code platforms and tools have become incredibly user-friendly, letting anyone create their own GPT Wrapper app without writing a single line of code. Whether you want to build chatbots, content creators, or business assistants, you can do it easily and start earning real money fast. What is a GPT Wrapper? A GPT Wrapper is a simple app or tool built around the power of AI models like ChatGPT. Instead of using the AI in a broad, general way, a GPT Wrapper focuses on solving specific problems or helping with very particular tasks. For example, instead of just chatting with AI about anything, a GPT Wrapper might be designed as a resume reviewer that helps job seekers improve their resumes, or a dating assistant that crafts perfect messages, or even a travel planner that creates custom trip itineraries based on your preferences. These focused apps make AI easier to use and much more valuable because they cater to specific needs, making them perfect for businesses or individuals looking for targeted solutions. Why GPT wrappers are profitable in 2025. 2025 is the perfect time to build and monetize GPT wrapper apps. And here's why. First, AI adoption is at an all-time high. Millions of people and businesses are actively looking for smart tools that save time and boost productivity. GPT wrappers offer exactly that: niche, AI-powered solutions that feel custom-made. Second, thanks to no-code platforms like Software Bubble and Glide, you don't need to be a developer to build your app. Anyone, even without a tech background, can launch a working GPT wrapper in days, not months. Third, solopreneurs can build and run these apps on a small budget, with minimal overhead. You don't need a big team or fancy setup. And finally, you can earn recurring income by offering your tool as a subscription. Think $9 or $19 a month. And with just a few hundred users, you're already on your way to making $5,000 plus per month. How to find a profitable niche. The secret to a successful GPT wrapper is solving a real problem for a specific group of people. Don't try to build something for everyone. Go niche. Look for pain points that people deal with every day. For example, freelancers who struggle to write client proposals or cold emails. Job seekers who need help crafting standout resumes or interview answers. Content creators who want help brainstorming ideas or repurposing their content. To find your niche, start by researching your audience. Check social media comments, Reddit threads, Facebook groups, or YouTube videos, wherever people complain or ask for help. You can also run quick surveys or polls to validate your idea. Once you find a common problem, you've found your niche. Now, your wrapper can solve it in a simple, automated way. Creating your GPT wrapper. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to build your GPT wrapper. And the best part, you don't need to know how to code. Step 1, write smart prompts. Your AI prompt is the brain behind your tool. It tells the GPT exactly what to do. Tailor it to your niche. For example, if you're building a resume reviewer, write a prompt like, review this resume and suggest improvements for a marketing role. Test and tweak your prompt until the results are accurate and helpful. Step 2, choose a no-code platform. Tools like Pickaxe, Bubble, Glide, or Software let you build web apps by simply dragging and dropping elements. Pickaxe is great for quick GPT-powered tools, while Bubble gives you more customization options. Step 3. Customize the look and feel design your app to be clean, clear, and user-friendly. Add form fields, a results area, and maybe some branding, all without touching a single line of code. These tools make it super easy to publish your wrapper and share it online. With just a strong prompt and a user-friendly interface, your AI tool is ready to go live and start solving real problems. Launching and branding your wrapper. Now that your GPT wrapper is ready, it's time to launch it like a real product. First, host your app on a custom domain. Something simple and memorable like resumefixerpro.com or travelbot.ai. This instantly gives your tool a professional look. Next, white label it with your branding. Add your logo, choose colors that match your brand, and make the interface feel consistent. Most no-code tools let you do this with just a few clicks. Then, set up your payment system. Platforms like Gumroad, Stripe, or Lemon Squeezy let you accept payments and manage monthly subscriptions. Offer a free trial or a freemium version to attract new users. Within hours, you can go from a simple idea to a fully branded income-generating AI tool, all without touching code. Monetization strategies. Once your GPT wrapper is live, it's time to start making money. And there are several smart ways to do it. 1. Freemium model. Let users try your tool for free with limited access, then lock premium features behind a paywall. For example, a resume tool might give one free review, but charge for detailed edits or multiple uses. 2. Usage-based pricing charge based on how often someone uses your app. This works great for tools like content generators or travel planners, where users may want to pay as they go. 3rd-tiered plans. Offer different pricing levels. A basic plan with limited features, and a pro plan with advanced tools, priority support, or more customization. This gives users options and increases your revenue potential. Combine these strategies and you'll have a solid system that attracts new users while turning power users into paying customers. Tracking and improving your app. Once your GPT wrapper is live, don't just set it and forget it. The key to long-term success is continuous improvement. Start by tracking user behavior. Use tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or PostHog to see how users interact with your app, where they click, where they drop off, and what features they use most. Collect feedback directly through short surveys or feedback forms built into your app. Ask what users love, what's confusing, and what they wish it could do better. Then, based on real data, improve your prompts to make the AI's output more accurate and useful. You can also add new features or tools your audience is asking for, like exporting results, saving templates, or AI-powered suggestions. This not only keeps users happy, but it also helps reduce churn and increase your recurring income over time. Marketing your GPT wrapper. Now that your GPT wrapper is live, let's talk about getting it in front of the right people. Start with social media. Share short demo videos, user tips, and before-after results on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. Target communities that match your niche, like job seeker forums for a resume app or creator groups for content tools. Next, list your wrapper on AI directories like futuretools.io, there's an AI for that, and Product Hunt. These platforms already attract users looking for new AI tools, perfect free exposure. Lastly, build trust with testimonials and case studies. Ask your early users for feedback and turn their success stories into social proof. Even a few screenshots of positive results can convince others to try your tool. With smart marketing, your wrapper can go from unknown to viral and start bringing in serious revenue. You don't need to code to build something powerful with AI, just a smart idea and the right tools. Start small, solve a real problem, and launch your own GPT wrapper today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI business ideas and step-by-step guides. Your $5,000 a month journey starts now.